Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So today we are going to jump into the Mid-America Trucking Show. So I just wanted to put out this video just basically about MATS, the Mid-America Truck Show. That is here in a few weeks, as you can see here on the screen. March 28th through the 30th, 2019 in Louisville, Kentucky. So I have never been before, and so I'm not sure what to expect. I was lucky enough that Trucker Solution, who is one of the fuel cards that we have as a company, that Red River Trucking has as a company, which is the company, for you guys that don't know, that I am a part of. There's me and two other partners to own Red River Trucking as a whole. But anyways, so they reached out to us and they asked if we wanted some VIP tickets to the show this year that we can pick up at their booth once we arrive. So that is currently the plan. Yes, I am planning on being there. If any of you guys want to reach out and meet up or whatnot, you know, more than welcome. Or, well, you know, I'll be more than happy to meet up with you guys and, you know, meet you and hang out and see what you guys think about the Mid-America Truck Show. So, but for you guys that haven't been there, this is the web page. For you guys that have been there prior years, or maybe all the years, you know, maybe leave in the comments below what you guys think of it. For us that haven't been there, I've been trying to get out there, but last year I was really serious about going, but it didn't happen because we were setting up the new authority. This year I am going to be trying to book loads to get back there, and so I'm hoping that happens. But anyways, so that's kind of the situation where I'm at right now. I do have tickets. I am planning on going, but let's jump into this. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what's expected for this year. So as you can see here on the first page, you know, it's a very well set up web page. You know, they show some pretty awesome video right here at the very beginning. You know, you got the Tesla diesel right there. You have some really nice show trucks, and then obviously you have a bunch of the exhibitors, vendors, and then some of the guys that are going to be in concert, or the guy that's going to be doing a concert, and then there is one of the girl bands. But if you scroll down on the main page right here, as you can see, the must attend trucking event. So it is the biggest trucking event, I imagine, worldwide. But this goes through, tells you how many exhibitors, you know, how many attendees are going to be there, you know, how many square feet of exhibits there is going to be. If you want to see a list of who is all going to be exhibiting the show, you can click here on this, you know, view the 2019 list, and that will give you a full list of everybody who is going to be at the show. You know, essentially selling or giving information out about their products, or hiring drivers, or selling insurance, or whatever it comes to be. So, and then here's where you can register to attend, or, you know, become an exhibitor. I imagine it's probably too late to become an exhibitor at this point, but I could be wrong. And then here's the concerts that we were talking about. I'm planning on probably going to the concerts. I am a country music fan, and so these, fall right in the category for me. But I do like rock and some other stuff as well, but we're not going to talk about this video. Let's stay with the Mid-America Truck Show. So if you want more information about the concerts, you can click on the ticket information here. Scrolling down, this is the Truck Beauty Championship, which is obviously exactly what it says. It is going to be a massive truck show from what I understand, and as you can see right here from all these gorgeous trucks, it looks like it's one hell of a show. If you want to learn more about that, click on the Learn More tab. If you're not going to be driving in, if you're going to be flying in, or even if you are going to be driving in your personal vehicle or your truck and you want to stay somewhere other than in your truck, I imagine if you click here, this will tell you, hotels, motels, things like that, and obviously it's going to tell you about the 36-acre parking lot for free and overnight parking, and I already know that's at the Cardinal Stadium parking area, and I'll show you guys that here in a minute and show you how to get to the map that shows you where that is. Here's more about registering for the show. Your tickets are $10 at the door, it looks like. If you want to join the Facebook page, you can go ahead and join that and talk on there about people. Here's some of the product showcases from some of the, bigger companies that are going to be there, if you want to scroll through those. And, here's some big information. This is the show location, 937 Phillips Lane in Louisville, Kentucky. And then here are the show hours. So these are the tickets I have. This top line, which is the Thursday, the VIP. I'm not sure if I'm even going to make it there for that. I still have to make money, obviously, because we are a company. So I'm not sure if I will make it to the VIP hours, but I will be there most likely Friday and Saturday. I don't know if I might get there before they close Thursday night, but we will see. And sorry about that, my phone is ringing while I'm going through this, but let's scroll back to the top and learn more about the Mid-America Truck Show. So if you click on About Mats, here's your floor plan, and then your exhibitor list again, Matt's history, there's photo gallery and facts about it. Here's your free truck parking. So, and this is what I wanted to go over more than anything. If you guys want to learn more about the other things up here, the floor plan and stuff, we'll briefly go over them, but I'm not going to take too much time. I figure it's more important for you guys know where to go. So let's see, there was a really good one that I found. Here it is. Okay, so this one you can click on. So if you go to About Mats, click on that and go to directions and parking and scroll all the way to the bottom. So this little floor plan or parking plan, whatever, here, parking map, you can click on all these different things. I hope you guys can see this cursor. So this is the 36-acre lot here. So, and if you click on it, see it pops this little thing up here. It says Papa John's Cardinal Stadium Tractor Trailer. So tractor trailer parking available for free. Shuttle service will run daily to Kentucky God, I can't talk. Never mind. Anyways, we're going to quit right there. Anyways, you have a shuttle service that will run you from this parking lot over here. All the blue is the exposition center where the show is going on. And so this is your 36-acre lot. This is your free parking. And then this little green one here, if you click on that, this is an overflow tractor trailer parking that you are also allowed to park in. And then I believe it might be this one. It's one of these three right here. No, that one's cars only. Here it is. Tractor trailer overnight parking, as well as this middle one right here. And then if you keep clicking on them, cars only, cars only, cars only. And I think it may be, nope. See, that's this red one's where the Truck Beauty Championship will be held. There was one. Attendee parking, car parking, cars. Now it doesn't specify, but one of these is $36 a night. So just so you guys are aware, there is one of these parking lots that is $36 a night. And so I imagine it's probably this one here, this lot G, is probably the $36 a night one. I'm just guessing at this point. Don't take what I'm saying as being absolutely positive. That's a demo area. But I'm assuming it's this one. And then this one's an overflow. And who knows, that one could possibly still be money. But this one is the free parking. This big green area. So this is probably the one I'm going to be parking in, because, you know, if you can save $36 a night, park over here, and they have a free shuttle service that takes you back and forth, then why not? So, but anyways, guys, this is the map that I wanted to show you. That way you guys can see, you know, here's the highways. You know, you can see how to get in there. You can get on this map, you know, click on it, get your route plate, figure it out, get yourself in there, get parked, and let's enjoy this truck show. So, and then let's go over that floor plan real quick. So this thing is just massive. So, and for you guys that have been there before, you know, I apologize if this is kind of boring and whatnot, but, you know, maybe you guys find the parking information useful, but like I said, leave comments down below, you know, if you guys have been there before, you know, is it worth going or not? But so anyways, so like this is where I have to pick up my VIP ticket. So, you know, this is where like Trucker Solutions going to be. And then, you know, there's going to be exhibitors all throughout this building, all these buildings down into here. This is where like Kenworth, this big red building's where Kenworth and like Peterbilt and some of the bigger tire brands and stuff are going to be, but we'll see that here in a second. I just have to download this entire floor plan, because for some reason, like when I try to zoom in on this, the ones they have here doesn't work. So, but let's download that real quick, and then we can zoom in, and kind of show you guys. So here's the whole floor plan here. So here's, as I showed you on that last page, So these are the different color buildings. Here's the big red one, like I said, with here's Peterbilt down here, and Kenworth's right above them. But here's up here in the top left is the pink building where, you know, I have to go find where Trucker Solution is. And pick up my tickets at their booth. But as you can see, as we zoom in, the crazy amounts of booths that are going to be in this place. So we got a food court, and then you got Uber Freight, and then if you want to know who's in each one of these booths that are small, that are these numbers, you have to go to that exhibitor list. And then the exhibitor list will give you the booth number, and then you have to do your research from there. I know in my email for my tickets, Trucker Solution sent me, you know, a booth number. So they're in here somewhere in this pink pavilion. So. And then moving into this orange, the West Wing, as you can see, there's who knows how many more vendors in here, hundreds, I would assume, or close to 100. But just a ridiculous amount of people, a ridiculous amount of businesses. I know personally being a step deck is what I haul, and so what I am going to be looking for me is straps, places that are doing straps and tarps and bungees, and then, you know, you just follow the walkway here. But essentially, gosh, this thing keeps trying to shift my pages. Essentially what I'm going to do is just walk down, if you can see my cursor, walk down this aisle, turn, walk down this aisle. Go down, turn, walk down another aisle. So that's my game plan. I don't know what your guys' game plan is, but, you know, hit me up while I'm there, and I'll meet up with you guys. But then here's the blue building. Looks like it's called the North Wing, and just hundreds of more vendors. So anything you can want. See, like this one up here, 11,192 at Tarp Meet. You know, that will be something I watch for. You know, there's Pilot Flying J, there's House, you know, if you need some fuel treatment, truckstop.com if you need some load boards, Rand McNally if you need some GPS so you know where you're going. You know, there's Chrome Shops if you need to pimp your ride. You know, Progressive, you need some insurance. Love's Travel Stops if you need to get whatever the hell they got going on. Travel Centers of America, Mercer Transportation. But anyways, guys, yeah, and it just keeps going on and on, but I don't want to take up a crazy amount of time, so yeah, we'll just zoom back out, and as you see, there's the red building. But anyways, guys, I have to kind of end this video short. I am pulling in, or going to be getting pulled in to get loaded, like right now. So yeah, that's what Matt's is looking like this year. As always, I appreciate everybody for watching. Please leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you all on the next video or at the Mid-America Truck Show. Let's go out there, let's have a good time, and let's go see some badass rides. But I will see you guys then.